How do I enable crossplay for GTA 5 online on Xbox and PS4?
Hey, GTA 5 fans! In this video, we're going to talk about how to enable crossplay between Xbox and PS4 for GTA 5 online. If you want to play with friends on different platforms, this guide is for you.
What is crossplay?
Crossplay, also known as cross-platform play, is a feature that allows players on different gaming platforms, like Xbox, PlayStation, and PC, to play with each other. For a long time, it has been a highly requested feature by gamers worldwide. However, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, GTA 5 Online does not officially support crossplay. Changes may have occurred beyond this date, and if so, please refer to the official Rockstar Games support for the most updated information.
Are there any workarounds?
Given the lack of official support for crossplay in GTA 5, some players may resort to certain workarounds. Be aware that these methods can violate the terms of service of the game and may lead to penalties, including being banned from the game. Always follow the rules set by Rockstar Games to maintain a fair and fun gaming environment for all.
Where can I get updates on crossplay support for GTA 5?
Rockstar Games, the developer of GTA 5, will post any updates about crossplay support on their official website and social media channels. Keep an eye out for any announcements regarding this feature. While the current status of crossplay for GTA 5 might be disappointing for some, we hope that this video has been helpful in understanding the situation. Remember, always respect the rules of the game, and continue to have fun in the vast world of GTA 5 Online. See you in Los Santos.